Oh, hello. Good day, everyone. And my name is Daryl, or you can call me Legend Daryl. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I know you are interested on the upcoming bootcamp that we have in the Money and Mirth. Me and Matt decided to help you and guide you with the upcoming bootcamp. Okay, I know for sure what the struggles of a trader because I am trading for 5 years now, and I understand the struggle that the traders go through. And that's why by the end of the bootcamp or the 1-month bootcamp, you will know a proper trading strategy that can tweak, that you can use it, tweak, or add it to your confluence, to your trading journey as well, and become a profitable trader. So what you will learn on this 1-month bootcamp. So I already spotted or put some details here, like you can learn about the market types. Okay, I know this is really basic, but we more talk on about the basic to advanced. Okay, so and the trading style. So I'm going to teach you about the day trading and the swing trades. And because I do both, like I lab trade swing, right, swing trading, and I hold it for a day, and then as well on the day trading. So I'm going to teach you how to do those trading styles as well. And then we're going to talk about the introduction to strategy building, like elements of a solid trading plan. If we have the strategy, we should have a trading or a solid trading plan as well that we're going to follow within our trading journey. And then you will learn about trading models. Okay, so it would be the breakout, pullback, everything. Okay, everything about entry models. I'm going to teach you on how I execute my trades as well. And then we talk about the trading psychology, because when we talk about trading, it really is stressful. That's why we have this topic as well for us to know how to handle our emotions and shift our mindset into a positive perspective. All right, and then we're going to talk about the risk management. So why risk management? Because it's really important. Anything on trading, risk management is the king. Example, you already have a profitable system, right, or strategy, and then you don't have a risk management, and you trade 1 or 2 trades and then you get liquidated, then you will not be in the market for a long run. Okay, so that's why it's really important to have a risk management for us to stay in the market on the long run. Once we expose in the market in the long run, then for sure you will get a good result on that. Even 30 to 40%, right? 30 to 40% of winning percentage, you will be profitable as long as you have the proper risk management. And then we have a weekly sessions, right? So it's really important in the weekly sessions because we're going to have a recap of the week's trade. Then we have the Q&A for that as well. I'll be active on the daily basis. Okay, if you have questions, concerns, I'll be active on a daily basis. I'll send market updates and everything as that. And then we have the weekly sessions. So weekly sessions would be the Q&A and the recap of the week's trade. And the last one will be handling losses and mistakes. Yes, it's really important that we also discuss or have a topic about handling losses and mistakes, because we are not here for a quick rich scheme, right? Because as we know, or every one of us already know, that trading is not 100%. We don't have a 100% win rate. As I mentioned earlier, 30 or 40% you will still are profitable. You still have a good result on the week or end of the week or end of the month. Okay? As long as you have a proper strategy, the good mindset, a solid trading plan, everything of that. That's why we still talk about handling losses and mistakes, because I know within this strategy, I know that it's not really a big deal. It's not really a big deal as long as you have the proper risk management. So I'm going to add more about those details, guys. So this is just a short intro video for the 1-month bootcamp. And all I want here is that once we start the bootcamp, So I want everyone to be water. Yes, be water, my friend. I know everyone already had a knowledge about trading, ICT, SMC, everything. So I've been on that as well. In my case, I just filter it up and make a simple system, simple approach in the market for me to be in this position, to have a good result per week, right? So every week I also recognize my losses. I also check my performance as well, and yeah, and it's already in a good shape for me to share this strategy to you guys. So that's why I recommend or suggest that be water. Okay, once we start the bootcamp, all you need to do is follow this strategy and you'll be okay. You'll get a good or green result per week or even a month. And as well, I suggest to you guys that we're going to use indicators as well. So what will be those indicators? We can use the EMA. So what is the EMA? You can search it on the indicator here in the indicators. Search it EMA 20, 50, 100, and 200. So yes, I'm going to teach you on how to use this indicator, this one, because it's a trend following. All right, trend following, and I have my own details or knowledge on how I use the EMA to get a good bias on my trading, right, on the market as well. And then you can use the fair value gap, so you can search it here on the still in the trading view, or I mean in the indicator. It's all free. You can search it, fair value gap. Okay, Lux Algo. So why we should use that one? Because it's a entry confluence. All right, within our strategy, this will give us a confluence to our entry. And the next one will be the SMC Lux Algo as well. This one, smart money. So it's a confluence within our strategy. All right, and the last one will be the ClostriX. So ClostriX, it's not a free indicator. You will be paying for a month subscription for this. I suggest you, everyone, intermediate or even the advanced trader, I recommend this to you guys to maximize your profits, because it can help us or help you to enhance, to level up your trading in Germany as well. Yeah, if you have questions about ClostriX, then you can ask me or Matt for the details about that. But if you cannot afford it, I mean, if you cannot, if you don't want to use it, then we can focus on these things. All right, because ClostriX, you need to have a strategy with it. Okay, you have that strategy. When you are using ClostriX, you need a trading strategy, because even if you are using this and if you don't have strategy, then you cannot use it properly or maximize the potential of this indicator, right? So on the schedule, all right, and the schedule of our bootcamp, it would be 2 or 3 times per week. So it depends on our topic for that week. So hope that everyone can join us. It's not a, I don't know, me, I guess I'm going to talk about Matt, if it will be a recorded video or not. All right, and then all I ask, I mean, me and Matt ask to be you guys to be active. Once we will be active in the community, then I'll be active too, because if you are not active, then how I know what you are going through? Okay, I don't know what's your concern. I don't know what's your questions about trading. Okay, so you can ask me daily. You can send chart or your TA or your what you analyze in the market. I'll be available, okay, every day once you are active in a community. And yeah, and I guess that's it. This is just some introduction. More details will come posted inside the Discord. And yes, it's a free, okay, it's a free mentorship, guys. It's a free 1-month bootcamp. So if you have friends, if you have relatives who wants to learn, okay, about trading, then you can tell them and sign up to as well within our partner links. So check the links below, guys, and sign up at our website. Then follow the links that we email you, that we send to you for you to join in our Discord community. So that's it, and see you in the upcoming bootcamp. Thank you.